we going?
Sydney. Hope you need me to.
So we are going to Pecan farm today.
Pecan farm today, yes.
And the cotton farm?
No, only pecan farm today.
Ah, I see. I thought there are two places.
No, only one place.
Ah, Pecan.
Pecan. So cotton's out the other side of town. Oh, yeah, too far away from the pecan farm.
We need pecan anyway.
Only pecans today. Hello. How are you? Very good. Hello, out east of Moree, sort of heading east down on the Guida Highway.
Yeah.
Out to the farm. They are harvesting at the moment, so you'll see how they harvest the trees, how they shake the nuts off the trees, and how they pick them up off the ground.
Oh,
and so, any questions on the way out, sing out, and hopefully I can answer you about the town and our farming. Now when we get out, we're gonna have morning tea.
Yeah.
We have morning tea. And there's a few trees around that we can eat a few pecans and all that sort of stuff as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
All good?
Good.
No worries.
Actually, to
Yeah.
Video, win video.
Udah nggak?
Pick ya, one only.
yeah, check it easy.
Oh yeah, they shake it.
Oh, shake it.
Oh, shake the pecan.
Hold down. Press this swipe.
Less than 1 minute, I think. Yeah, less than 1
Yeah, only a few seconds.
Yeah, second.
Oh,
Otherwise,
Kalau kita di Indo kan pungut pakai tangan.
iya.
Mana ada pakai mesin begitu. Manual di kampung-kampung mah.
Oh itu digoyang-goyang itu jatuh tuh, lihat tuh jatuh.
Itu kayak kalau foto di sana kayak winter sonata itu di bawah cantik banget.
Pick them up, put them
How
in
they
the
pick
because
the pecan?
you don't want the sticks
The
inside
machine
the
is picking
machine.
up pecan.
Of the cabinet, I think. They suck into the back after they go. They're very smart at the machine making.
It was very dusty.
the vodka must be very healthy.
Seru ya.
At the dust.
Very dusty.
I think inside is clean. But they have protection inside and have no doubt while driving.
Glow. Look at that. Glow. The like see.
Air conditioning inside. Air conditioning.
Yeah, they have to do otherwise.
Iya, bener lu pungutin na lu. Orang Madura tuh lagi pungutin tar.
See, di dalam bus nih pada norak. belum pernah lihat bagaimana cara memungut pecan. Jadi di look at this. Wow.
Amazing.
Like you blow your hair, you know, this one here, the tube.
Monster.
Yeah.
Coming.
Blow your hair, that one there.
You blow your
Oh, look.
Yeah, because they suck it.
Aftershock.
See, nih orang-orang Indo nih lagi.
makanan aja pakai mesin ya tuh.
Itu makanan burung itu banyak banget.
Right, I'll go and give you a cup of tea and we need a few nuts, eh? Pick a few nuts up.
I like.
Machine there, pick up.
See, nikmatin. Nikmat. Halo.
Halo.
Kapunka. Bisa kapunka.
Kapunka, yeah, correct, yeah. Cakap Melayu. Cakap Indonesia.
Ini turis-turis nih.
Cantik.
Cantik gadis sekarang. Show your pretty face to me.
After the shaking, then the others.
Show your. Hello, Lokong. Look at me. Don't forget this. Lokong ah.
Oh, rebut lauknya. Mau rebut lauknya.
Oh, not no, no.
Hello.
Not worth doing again. Yeah. So,
Hello.
hello.
Halo, Lokong ah. No.
Oke, Jana.
Oh, you.
Ini kita dari Pecanan.
Pick up ya lagi mau lagi lihat-lihat bagaimana cara Memetik
Pekanan. Jelasin berapa hektar? Ayo explain.
50.000 hektar.
Ya Tindong kemari Pak Kumpul. Kumpul lagi baca surat-surat PA dari siapa nih?
Kenapa duduknya nggak pasang?
Hah?
Kenapa duduknya nggak pasang?
Oh nggak pasangan, soalnya nggak.
Nggak duduk kalau
Dia mau menyendiri lagi mencari inspirasi.
Just leave it, yeah. And
Cari
the birds will
inspirasi.
get that. The birds will probably take that straight away.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said that this bird not the big.
50,000
Bird pick up straight.
Show me.
Birds love eating.
How
Birds
many
will eat.
do you have?
Oh, the Pecan.
Huh?
Yeah, the
Oh,
Pecan.
a lot, handful, yeah. What you? Yeah. Yeah. We are gonna have the pecan pie soon.
The pecan pie soon, yes.
Yeah. Pecan pie with the coffee. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah.
manggil orang-orang yang kecil ini dipungutin.
Sebentar.
All free accommodation. You have to work. To work here.
Oh, look. What bird?
This the bird.
Burung apa ya?
What kind of bird, Scott?
Sorry?
What kind of bird? What the name?
Oh, they're like an ibis.
Ibis?
Yeah, same family.
But this one black color.
Bit different. Same family.
Oh, cousin. Ibis cousin.
Cousin.
Ibis cousin.
Something like that.
Yeah. So the cousin of ibis.
But they don't eat the nuts. They just eat all the little grubs, insects and stuff.
This is another one picking up.
That's another one picking up, yes.
So when they pick up, they make a lot of dust.
And they put them in this here shipping container. So when they pick them up, they bring them down here and put them in this shipping container. Then they'll take them over to the building on farm here and they wash and clean them all.
Where did they sell the pecan to? The export, the pecan?
Export, yes, so they export 50%.
Yeah.
The other 50% will stop in Australia.
Yeah.
And you can guarantee if you're eating pecans in Australia,
Yeah.
you can guarantee 90% of them are coming from grown homes, farms, Australian pecans.
Is that the best? The biggest
So
one?
this is where they put all the pecans in this here.
Oh, there is
Yes.
still some. The leftover over there.
Is that stealing? Is that stealing?
That's stealing.
Stealing pecan for us.
All for you.
Oh,
Hey, come on, give it.
oh, that's good. See, distribute. So take a photo.
Yay.
Pecan time. It's a pecan. Bagus loh. Looking for the pecan. Mencari pecan.
What will make photo for us? Reminds me of the rubber plantation in Malaysia.
Oh, does it?
Similar, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Scott. Here's